Hello and welcome to Church Media on Victor Shamaki. Today we're going to look at how to import a feed from a live stream and either project it or re-live stream it. So I'm going to use a scenario with my church. I attend Dunamis International Gospel Center. So basically we use YouTube to project our service, because anytime we're connecting to listen to God's servant, it's no longer on the strong decoder anymore on Sunday. Okay, for Sunday we only use the YouTube or Facebook. So we want to import that into vMix from YouTube directly and project it to screen. That's the scenario I want to paint now. Or you have any football going live, this is keep quiet. Just listen for it. Just don't loud it. Okay. You have a football going on, like the WACOM that just finished, WAFCOM, or the English Premier League from 88.com and all of that, or another. Don't worry. You have it and you want to live stream it on your YouTube channel. All right. That's what this video is all about. So how you want to do it? First, you need to have the URL of that channel. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, anywhere that is going live. Yeah. So once you have that, you go to add input, and then you go to web browser. I know you don't know that. Now you know. So they're asking you for URL. Okay, so I have currently this healing and deliverance service going on in Dunamis. All right. So I'm just going to go and copy that URL. So I'm just going to search YouTube and I'm going to search for the healing and deliverance service. And I'm going to search also for channel television so that you'll see the two scenario. Okay. Okay, so you see healing and deliverance service going on. 5,000 people are watching. So I'm just going to copy this URL and I'm going to take it and paste it here. And then I'm going to click on OK. So I'm going to go to close this. I'm going to go here and I'm going to search channel television. I'm going to copy their own URL as well. Channel. So you see that channels is live, right? Yes. So I'm going to go for their live program and the internet is a bit shaky, but not to worry, we'll get it done soon. I want to go to the live program, then I'll copy the URL, all right? So we have it going live. I don't know what is happening, but we'll just copy the URL and we'll close it. Then we'll go back to vMix. Then we add input again. And we're going to go to web browser. We put it and we click on add. So you can add as many as possible, all right? So don't worry, you can add as many as possible. So for this now, we can we control everything from here, all right? So from making it full screen to so from making it full screen to everything, we can do it right here, all right? So we just let's channels TV own finish first, so that we have to do that together. So you can see that I play it. It's playing. See that the audio is also, but I'm not seeing. Okay, let's click on settings. I'm not seeing a bit well. That's why I'm not seeing it that much. That's why I'm doing guesswork. I'm looking at full screen, but it's not really displaying the full screen. Alright, see channels on is out and it's still doing the same thing. So you can see that channels is out. Okay, so full screen is out. So I'm going to check these two and do the same thing. So you see that Dunamis has full screen now. Now we'll do that to channels television. Okay. Okay. Channels television also have full screen now. Alright. So you can see from here now we have the Dunamis program going on, and we have the channels television. All were imported directly from the YouTube. Now whatever is here now is actually going and is displaying. Alright. So it's already going and is displaying. So if we already have an external connection, we can live stream this program back to YouTube. Why anybody knowing? I didn't say nobody's knowing. That's just by the way. Don't go and do copyright. Alright. So this is how you can import a feed that is going, a program that is ongoing right now, and then you can project it to people, or you live stream it. So for projecting, you just need to come here, and whatever is here, make sure your full screen is there. And for live streaming, you have to check the external, and then you go to the stream, and then you put in the key, whether you're live streaming it to Facebook, streaming it to YouTube. That's what you need to do. Alright, so I believe this is well explained and well taught. So thank you for watching this brief tutorial on how to bring a feed, and you can also project it without using another system. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.